Good morning! This is Dreamtime Toys with Bluey's morning routine. Bluey, when we start our day, we need to change our diaper. Come on, let's get some wipes and a fresh, clean diaper. Get your baby in your blanket. Alright, hold still. I'll get the supplies and we'll get you fresh and clean in a minute. Alright. You know what we should do after? We should pick a new book to read. Do you know which book is my favorite? It's called I Like Myself. The book, go in the chair. Here we go. Oh, it's so fun to rock, don't you think? Bluey, before we start downstairs with some breakfast, let's review our alphabet here on your bedroom wall. Do you think that would be fun? Yay, alphabet! All right, we're gonna go through each letter and then we're gonna sing our song at the end. It'll be so fun. A is for ant. B is for bear. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. Brrr. F is for fox. G is for giraffe. H is for hippo. I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. K is for koala. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for narwhal. Do you know what a narwhal is? It looks kind of like a whale with a horn. That's so silly. O is for owl. Woo, woo. P is for panda. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. S is for sheep. T is for tiger. U is for unicorn. V is for vicuña. W is for whale. X is for x-ray fish. Y is for yak. And Z is for zebra. Are you ready to sing the alphabet? Let's go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Hey Bluey, it's time for breakfast. Let's eat our oatmeal and drink our milk. Yeah! I like breakfast. Do you know what kind of oatmeal I made today? I made strawberry. It is so tasty. Warm and sweet. Take good bites. Chew, chew, chew. What is your favorite fruit, Bluey? Strawberry! Oh, good, then I picked your favorite, just like I thought. Do you know, they also make blueberry oatmeal and peaches oatmeal. Let's take a drink. Good job. Let's keep eating. A few more bites, and we'll have a good full tummy. Man, you are eating quick. We're almost all the way out. Should we give a bite to baby? No, baby doesn't need a bite. This is for you, Bluey. All right, let's finish up and then we're gonna clean up and go outside. One last drink and then we'll go. Time to clean up. I've got the wet wipe. We're gonna wipe your hands and your mouth and get ready to go outside. All right, left hand, right hand, and that cute little nose. And then we'll go swing, all right? Yay! I just love being outside, Bluey, don't you? It's so fun to enjoy the day and the warm sun and just take a break. What's your favorite color? Woo! I like that color too. I also like red. I think that's my second favorite. We should jump on the trampoline after. Jumping! Great, you swing a few more times, and then we'll go. Let's get on the trampoline. Set your baby and your blanket down, and we'll climb up together. All right. Are you ready to jump? You are so big. Oh my goodness. Are you gonna do some big jumps too? That'll be great. Whoa! I can't believe you did that. Okay, ready? Try your one big flip. Oh, there it is. You did it. I'm so proud of you, Bluey. It's almost time to be done. Finish up. Hey, Bluey. Pick which car you want to ride on, and let's go play. Oh boy, the mini train? That is so cute. What do all those buttons do? You should try pushing some. Do you need a little help? Okay, let's do it together. All right. Wow. Those are so much fun. I wonder what that one does. I like this toy. Now that we've tried all the buttons, let's go for a ride. Whee! Yay! Here we go! Be careful. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, Bluey! Quick, let's get the doctor kit. I've got Doc McStuffins here to help. Are you ready? Hold still, it won't hurt at all.
I'm Doc McStuffins. This won't hurt a bit.
Let's check your eyes and make sure you're okay. The other one. And how about those cute little ears? Oh, they're fine. Let's get you a Band-Aid. I know it hurt. Okay, you can be brave. Now that we're in our stroller, let's go for a walk. It'll be a nice chance to calm down before we go eat lunch and take a nap. I had so much fun with you this morning. I hope you enjoyed our time outside too. And if you want to see the rest of Bluey's day, come back and watch some more with us at Dreamtime Toys. Bye-bye!